Hi, this is Ajanta ma'am, and today I shall be doing the poem Beethoven. Now, the poem Beethoven explores the themes of resilience and the transformative power of music in the life of the composer. Now, Beethoven went through a lot of obstacles, including an abusive father, and of course, he suffered with deafness. Yet, his determination and passion for music shone through. Beethoven's passion for music is portrayed as a driving force in his life. And therefore, this poem highlights his deep connection to music, depicting him getting down on his knees and amputating the legs of the piano to feel the vibrations through the floor. This imagery in the poem showcases his unwavering dedication and willingness to go through great lengths to experience and create music. Beethoven's passion fuels his resilience, enabling him to overcome the challenges that he faced. Like we all know, he faced a lot of challenges. The line, Beethoven, who heard his father's anthem every time he put finger to ivory, signifies the influence Beethoven's abusive father had on him. His father was extremely critical and demanding. Excuse me. And as a constant presence in Beethoven's mind whenever he played the piano. Continuously, the man said, "It is not good enough." This line, this phrase signifies that Beethoven's father wanted him to excel at the cost of anything. This helpless boy who was living in a home where his identity, his self-worth and humanity was completely disregarded by his father. He was absolutely, what can I say? Here, Beethoven's was not valued for anything, not even his talents. So his father had unrealistic expectations of his son, and he damaged Beethoven, Beethoven all through his childhood by his verbal attacks and violence. His father rather made a habit out of hitting him. Therefore, the poem establishes an atmosphere of terror in Beethoven's life. Even though his music is iconic, yet Beethoven, who pours his heart out through his fingers, he is unable to satisfy his abusive father. No matter how Beethoven played music, his father's voice echoed, not good enough, and refusing to be pleased. The criticism was relentless, sometimes unending, and uncompromising, no matter how Beethoven tried to please his father. It was the same phrase, not good enough. And this established an unreasonable pressure on this child. The deaf have an intimacy with silence. It's there in their dreams. This particular line sheds light on Beethoven's profound relationship with silence and the impact on his music, being deaf. Beethoven was deprived of the ability to perceive sound because he was deaf in the conventional sense. However, he cultivated a unique intimacy with sound. He, cultivated, heightened the sensitivity towards sound. And it allowed him to explore the spaces between the notes, the pause, the rest, all that shapes a musical composition. Therefore, Beethoven's deafness gave him a distinctive perspective that pushed the boundaries of traditional music. He was a creative genius, and Beethoven's composition, therefore, possess a quality that transcends beyond auditory realms. Because Beethoven was deaf and his music has the power to touch the depths of human emotions, allowing listeners to be transported. It's a transformative experience for the listeners who listen to Beethoven. The poem, therefore, highlights the universal language of music and its profound ability to evoke and communicate emotions that touch every soul. Therefore, the line, "All we ever had to do was listen." This line emphasizes on the fact on the importance of listening and understanding and connecting with his music. The line suggests that to unlock the beauty of Beethoven's music, one has to be attentive enough. By immersing oneself in listening to his music, we are able to understand the intricacies of his music, which Beethoven intended to convey. The nuances in the music can only be understood if we are attentive. We can unravel the layers of his composition, unlocking profound insights into his genius and gaining a deeper appreciation for the transformative power of his music. Thank you for watching. This is Ajanta ma'am. I make videos of ICSE as well as ISC English Literature and Language. Do subscribe my channel and hit the like button. Thank you for watching.